let's learn how to add credit card to your Binance account. I will show you this tutorial on PC because it's the easiest, but you can follow up with any other device like phone. Without any delay, let us start by opening Binance application. Now from this page you will have to go to a payment section. To do that, go to user center that has this profile icon and just go to payment. That's fourth in a row. Now you can see clearly because of this dark mode, but it says payment methods like P2P. You need to do this. To add, click on this plus button, add a payment method. Select a payment method. You will now have to select bank you have your card on. I will do this Raiffeisen Bank. It will have your info here. You will have to enter account number and payment details. Please make sure to add your bank account number for instant payments, so have this in mind. Once you fill this, just click on confirm and you will have your payment method added. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.